Hey guys, Brian with VetteSource checking in with the last of our Viper hardtops that we have available. Yesterday I went over this dark blue top that I have for the Viper hardtop, Gen 2 Vipers, specifically 96-02. Now that's the only top I have in that particular color. I only have one of those in that dark blue. I do have two of the Viper blue tops. This is one of them here, the other one's still in the box. And then this one here is a graphite. This is actually referred to as the graphite. Can't get that to turn around. You can see graphite top, or I don't know what that T stands for, I forget. I have two of these tops in this color as well. Just like the others, these are brand new, or this one's brand new in the original box. Still with the dust on it. I've kept it in climate controlled storage, but I really don't want to wash it off dry. I'd rather do it wet while it's on a car, so you don't put any scratches in the paint. This was produced by ASC Manufacturing that does a lot of the convertible top conversions for most of the major car suppliers. Brand new in the original box with the foam padding to keep it secure. This one might be missing our top tool bag. I'm not sure where that would be on this one. Actually, I think I have it over on the other side there, but it does have the top tool. As you can see, the inner headliner is perfect, unused condition. Like I said, just dusty from sitting, but definitely a nice piece if you've been looking for a hardtop or a replacement hardtop, or even just to add a hardtop to your Viper Roadster, your Gen 2. This one is available. The good thing about them is even though they are color specific, they came pre-painted, I guess, from ASC, which is kind of an interesting little factoid that they didn't paint these on the assembly line, but that's probably a whole other matter. Even if it's not matching your car, you can always paint it to the choice of what your Viper color is, obviously. So like I said, you can still see there, that's just a haze on it from the dust, but I don't want to take that off a lot because I don't want to scratch a clear coat on it. So this one is available for sale along with our dark blue Viper top and our Viper blue, racing blue top right here that you can see the edge of. I'll kind of show you that. All these, like I said, usually have that instructions in the box to show how they're put on and the tool to put them on. So they're kind of a cool little trivia item for Viper fans. So if you've got any questions or have an interest in them, you can always reach me at 832-654-7367. My name is Brian. And if you're international or overseas or don't want to call me, you can always reach me in the comments section below. So I appreciate you guys watching, and we'll be back tomorrow with probably, I think I've got some Corvette new old stock parts that I need to detail tomorrow. So I'll check with you guys then. Thanks.